I am so obsessed with these videos from our legal team. They're so good. All right, are we ready? Here's the question. FabFitFun did not start out as a quarterly subscription box. What did it start out as? All right, guys, start writing those comments in the questions. Start writing your answers in the comments section below right now, and the first 3 people to get the answer right will win. And remember what our legal team said. It's the first 3 people that we see, not the first 3 that you see. Let's take a look at what people are saying. All right, we've got a lot of people still talking about products, but don't you guys want to win some prizes? What are your guesses? Let's see what we've got going on here. What do you guys think? Let's see. All right. A lot of people talking about the box, but we didn't start out as a box. What did we start out as? All right, we're going back a couple years. Oh, Debbie Cabrera says a magazine. Okay, good guess, Debbie. What else do we have here? All right, guys, keep those guesses coming. Keep them coming in. I know you guys are excited about add-ons. All right, let's see. What else we got? Are we guessing? All right. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a hint. Katie Kitchen's title is editor-in-chief. What might that be about? Think about it. That might be a good clue. Let's see. Clothes, fitness brand, keep them coming. Editor-in-chief. What would that be related to? Let's see. All right, keep those guesses coming. All right, it's time. The answer is FabFitFun started out as an online magazine. Okay, guys, great job. Thank you for guessing. And our producers are working super fast today. They have already found our winners. So congratulations to Debbie C., Amy M., and Jen Johns. Great job, guys. All right, y'all really know your FFF stuff. It is now time, my favorite time. It's time to spin the wheel. Let's see what you guys win. All right, are we ready? This gives me major Price is Right vibes. I'm living out my Kelly Ripa dreams right now, spinning a prize wheel. All right, what do we got? You all win a round of applause! All right, winning amazing swag during our games isn't the only perk that you get from being a FabFitFun member. You also have access to FabFitFun TV, which is a place for fantastic recipes, fun workouts, tutorials, DIYs, and so much more. So check it out right now.
Hey everyone, it's Nicole Kogan from No Bread.
Hi, I'm Mary DeCaro, yoga teacher here in Los Angeles.
You asked for more tummy trimming moves? Well, you've got it. We're totally gonna have fun with this. And next move, I love this one, super dynamic.
We are cooking up this next recipe just in time for dinner, and I couldn't be more excited. I'm gonna start by whisking our egg. And I am back today cooking up one of my favorite gluten-free meals.
Hi, my name's Marnie, and I designed this stretch series to be used after any workout, or even if you just need to let go a little bit. Side to side, play around with your bind, day by day.
If you ever wanted to learn more about yoga, but didn't know where to start, this series is for you.
Bye.